राज्य वेंचणूक आयोगान जिल्हा पंचायत वेंचणुकेचे वेळापत्र जाहीर केला. 20 डिसेंबराक वेंचणूक.
In pursuance of Rule 10, subsection 2 of the Goa Panchayat and Zilla Panchayat Election Procedure Rules 1996, the State Election Commission hereby declares the election schedule for the ensuing Zilla Panchayat elections 2025 as follows.
अर्ज भरपाची निमणी तारीख 10 डिसेंबर. 22 डिसेंबराक मतां मेजतले.
The receipt of nomination will be from 1st December 2025, which is a Monday, to 9 December 2025, Tuesday, from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. 7 days except 3rd December being a public holiday and 7th December being a Sunday. The scrutiny of nomination will be done on 10 December 2025, which is a Wednesday. 10 a.m. onwards, still scrutiny is complete. The withdrawal of candidature will be on 11 December 2025, which is a Thursday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. The list of contesting candidates will be published on 11 December 2025, Thursday after 2 p.m. The date of poll, as already said, 20th December 2025, Saturday. Timings are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Date of counting is 22nd December 2025, Monday, 8 a.m. till counting is completed.
SIR मोहिमेन काम करतात तांकां इलेक्शन ड्युटी ना. आयज सावन आचारसंहिता.
Due to the ongoing SIR, that is Special Intensive Revision, the district election officers, returning officers and assistant returning officers and other required staff who have not been involved in the SIR process have been taken for the elections. The model code of conduct comes into force from today with immediate effect and shall be applicable in all the areas under the jurisdiction of North Goa Zilla Panchayat and South Goa Zilla Panchayat respectively, excluding all municipal areas and the areas under the jurisdiction of Corporation of City of Konkani. The total number of Zilla Panchayat constituencies going for the polls: North Goa 25 constituencies, South Goa 25 constituencies. The Zilla Panchayat elections are on party lines. However, independent candidates are also eligible to contest. The total polling booths as follows: North Goa Zilla Panchayat, there are 658 polling booths. South Goa, there are 626. The total 1,284 polling booths will be given. The maximum limit of expenditure which can be incurred by a candidate is ₹5 lakhs.
प्रुडंटा खातीर महेश खाडी आनी रुपेश राऊत.